Disputes in diagnostics, is it possible to avoid them? Unfortunately, it will not be the first nor the last time that, due to clinical diagnostic disagreements caused by vanity and lack of professional and personal respect between cardiologists, whether from the same hospital or from different hospitals. Many discrepancies in the different diagnoses are constantly occurring, and probably, the results of the different treatments could have seriously endangered the lives of patients. In the medical field, professionals sometimes face the difficult situation of discovering a colleague's mistake. While it may be uncomfortable to address, it is often necessary, especially when patient health is at risk. Discussing the error directly and respectfully with the colleague is ideal. However, not all reactions are positive, and tension or resentment may result. Despite this, the patient's well-being must always come first. If the colleague refuses to acknowledge the mistake, reporting it to a supervisor becomes the responsible next step. This article highlights two real cases. In the first, a 45-year-old woman had recurring nighttime heart palpitations. She was wrongly diagnosed with a common type of fast heart rhythm and treated with a drug called adenosine, which actually made her condition worse. Further testing, including genetic analysis, revealed that she had a rare form of Wolff-Parkinson-White (WPW) syndrome, a condition involving an abnormal heart electrical pathway. This form showed a normal PR interval, a measurement in heart rhythm, but a distinctive delta wave, and it was linked to a gene called EDPRCAG2. This may be a newly identified variation of WPW. The second case involved an 18-year-old man who fainted without warning. He was sent home from the emergency room after a normal checkup. However, closer examination of his heart test showed a short QT interval, a possible indicator of a serious heart rhythm condition. This, too, was missed. These examples emphasize the importance of open communication among medical staff and always prioritizing the patient's safety. Mistakes must be acknowledged, not hidden. Encouraging respectful dialogue, supporting patient rights, and improving training can help avoid similar issues in the future. Ultimately, the patient's health and safety must guide all decisions. In medicine, mistakes can happen, but acknowledging them is vital for patient safety. When a healthcare colleague makes an error, the right thing to do is speak up and have an honest, respectful conversation. Sadly, pride or lack of ethics can sometimes block open dialogue, putting patients at risk. Communication is key. As the saying goes, people understand each other by talking. Health professionals must always put the well-being of patients above ego or disagreement. Recognizing and correcting mistakes isn't a weakness, it's a strength that can save lives and improve care for everyone. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.